By and take a look at the 2016 ATS. The Cadillac ATS debuted in 2012 as an American-made compact luxury sedan. The ATS gives the driver incredible comfort and control over a nimble, hard-driving compact that directly competes with the 3 Series and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, wheel locks, brake assist, 4-wheel disc brakes, Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, power windows, tachometer, power steering, leather shift knob. Come take a test drive today.